Thank you for allowing me an audience with you, the esteemed members of 10-Bit Works Makerspace, to pitch to you the idea of contributing solely to small businesses in order to boost the local economy, protect the environment, and further fulfill our mission. First, I'll discuss what a small business is. Now, the Small Business Administration's Office of Advocacy defines a small business as having less than 500 employees. That, according to the Office of Advocacy, there were 28 million small businesses in the United States in 2013. Now, the Texas Governor's Office has a different definition. It defines a small business as having less than 100 employees. And according to a study done by the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce here in San Antonio in 2008, there were 39,403 small businesses in San Antonio. So we have a vast array of options that can satisfy most of our needs. Obviously, all of our needs will not be met when it comes to larger equipment, more specialized equipment, but our daily operating procedures could be met with the help of local small businesses. Now, you might wonder, are small businesses worth investing in? Small businesses are actually quite stable. According to a Small Business Administration study done in 2010, 2/3 of small businesses actually last past two years, and 50% of small businesses actually last past 5 years. And also, the Small Business Administration showed that 63% of net new jobs were due to small businesses from the third quarter of 1992 and 2013. More locally, according to the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce small business study done in 2012, regions with greater entrepreneurial growth have been associated with higher levels of innovation and technology use, and states that promote new firm formation through public policy are more likely to experience higher employment, incomes, and overall output. So the growth of these small businesses is actually making San Antonio a more stable economy and a better place to be for all business. Now, how do small businesses match up to corporations? They match up on two accounts: economic impact and environmental protection. When it comes to local economic impact, a 2012 study in Salt Lake City, Utah by Civic Economics showed that $1 spent at local businesses actually tended to stay within the local community. And more specifically, the Local Works West Michigan economic analysis showed that of every $100 spent at local small businesses, about $73 was kept within the local community. And according to Michael H. Schumann, a globally recognized economics expert, local small business communities contribute to tourism and growth by encouraging people to visit and live in towns where small business hubs are, so that they can be walked and biked to rather than using their cars. As far as the environment goes, research study by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency says that businesses that locate in smart growth places can help protect environmental resources. For example, by reducing air pollution from vehicles by encouraging walking, bicycling, or taking transit, building more compactly to protect ecologically sensitive land, or incorporating natural ways of collecting and filtering stormwater runoff. And the EPA defines small growth places as locations with housing and transportation options, a mix of uses close together, and a high quality of life. So, branching off of that, the Office Depot Small Business Index from 2012 actually showed that 82% of small businesses are actually going greener by recycling. And 70% of small businesses anticipate going green within the next couple of years. Now, more locally, in 2009, Texas was ranked number 2 nationwide in the number of renewable energy jobs, which was a 15% growth from 1998 to 2007. And this was according to the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce study in San Antonio from 2012. Now, last but not least, supporting small businesses actually helps Tinbit Works to further our mission. There's obviously a growing maker movement within Texas, and it's being catalyzed by maker sole proprietorships, micro businesses, small businesses, and according to a study by National League of Cities, Etsy, Recast City, and the Urban Manufacturing Alliance, maker-developed small businesses actually make up 75% of the public sector employers. So in conclusion, Tinbit Works can easily accommodate its needs through local small businesses. By doing so, we can help the local environment, help the local economy, and further fulfill our mission. So thank you very much, and I hope you'll consider my proposal.